Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use EOMONTH function in Excel. By using this function, we can find end of month by adding number of month to a particular date. Say we have taken different dates here in first column and second column we have taken number of months. We will add these months to this date and find the end of month by EOMONTH function in Excel. So we will write the formula here. Our formula is equal EOMONTH and press tab, and here first parameter is start date. Select start date, that is in first column 15 March 22. Select this and press comma, and then select the second column where we have written the month. So here I have written 2 months. Select this and enter. Here you can see the date is shown in numbers and not in string. To convert this into date string, select the column and press right click and format cell, and here you can select date, and here you can see it has converted this into the date. That date is 31st May 2022. Now expand this formula to remaining cell, and here you can see the end of month of each date are shown after adding the number of months. So this is how you can use EOMONTH function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.